Now we're getting into operations of functions, which is going to cover lesson 2. So just like with basic numbers, it's also possible to do operations with functions. This video, we're going to cover the first 2 pieces of this tree diagram. So adding and subtracting. Now, cool thing about adding and subtracting, you do them the same exact way. Okay, so the notation will be f of x plus or minus g of x, or you could see it written as f plus or minus g inside parentheses with an x on the right. Either one is correct. I'm going to make a little note here. The first way I wrote it is the way you can use this in Desmos. Desmos will not do the bottom one, I do not believe. Okay. So what you want to do, the first thing you want to do is plug in or substitute your functions. So if I come to an example, again, f plus g inside parentheses of x, I can rewrite this, or I'm going to have to rewrite this as f of x plus g of x. Step 1, I said plug in your function. So what is f of x? It's 2x plus 1. I want y'all to get into a habit now of when you plug something in, put in a set of parentheses. So then g of x is 3x minus 5. And this just helps you realize or see, like, okay, I plugged something in, I substituted in something for this spot. After you plug in your function, very simple, you combine like terms or simplify combine like terms. So I have a 2x. So I have an x term on the left, an x term on the right, a positive 1, a negative 5. So I'm going to do 2x plus 3x. That's going to give me 5x. And I'm going to do 1 plus negative 5 is negative 4. Then you just write these 2 pieces as a function or a polynomial. So 5x minus 4. So that was one that we added. I'll now do one that we subtract. So k of x is 5x cubed plus 7x. It's already in the right notation. 5x cubed plus 7x minus j of x, which is 19. Again, I have an x cubed term on the left, nothing on the right. Positive 7x on the left, nothing on the right with an x term, and on the right is just 19. So 5x cubed minus nothing is just, so I'm going to say no like term is just 5x cubed. 7x minus, again, no like term on the right is just 7x. And then no like term on the left minus 19 is negative 19. Again, then come in, rewrite this all as one function. 5x cubed plus 7x minus 19, and that's my answer. I'll then do f of x minus 2h of x for you. So this time, I want to substitute f of x back in. So 2x plus 1 minus 2 times whatever h of x is. So negative 2x squared plus 11x minus 7. Now, you don't want to forget PEMDAS, or order of operations, from previous units, okay, or previous math classes. So even though I'm subtracting these two functions, this 2 is being multiplied, so it's going to take priority. So I'm going to have still 2x plus 1, Now I'm going to distribute this 2 to everything on the right-hand side. So minus 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. X squared, 2 times 11x is plus 22x. 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. Now, I come back in and I try to find my like terms. Have an x term on the left to the first power. Don't mess up here and say 4x squared is a like term when compared to 2x, because the degrees are not the same, okay? However, I have a 22x, same variable, same degree. I then have a constant, or just a number on the left. I have the 14 on the right. I'm done with my left set of parentheses. Well, then I have a x term, or an x squared term, on the right. Now, when you write these, again, take what's on the left. I'm subtracting yellow and yellow, so 22x. 2 minus 22 is negative 20x. 1 minus negative 14 is, that changes to addition, that changes to addition, so it's 15. And then no like term on the left, minus negative 4x squared. And remember, when you subtract, change subtraction to addition, change your sign, so that becomes 4x squared. Again, you take these results, you write them from highest exponent to lowest exponent. So 4x squared minus 20x plus 15.